this Up Close with the OCHM, we are taking a look at our newest exhibit in our first floor gallery for 2025, Reed and Barton, Building the Silver City. It has been 10 years since Reed and Barton, the largest silver company in Taunton, Massachusetts, ceased operations in the city. This exhibit takes a look back at the company, the people who made the products, and the other silver companies that formed in Taunton from the success of Reed and Barton. When you come by to check out this exhibit, be sure to browse the newly released Reed and Barton Virtual Archive, a one-stop digital resource that connects all known Reed and Barton collections, available both on-site and on our website. We would love to show you more here at the museum. Our hours are Tuesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., and we're located on historic Church Green in downtown Taunton. This has been another Up Close with the OCHM, and I hope you all tune in next time.